Live from the Fastener TV studio, it's In the News with Fastener News Desk.
Thanks, Chris. I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at FastenerNewsDesk.com. It's In the News, the week of August 16th, 2021. It's a big week for events in the fastener industry, so let's get started. The Midwest Fastener Association's Fastener Week officially begins today. The Fastener Week unofficially opened on Saturday in Chicago at the Tough Mudder event. 3 miles of Tough Mudder's famous teamwork-inspired obstacles and mud. The fastener industry was well represented with Team Tough Nutters. The Midwest Fastener Association's Fastener Week schedule includes Fastener Training Week Chicago, accelerated training for the FTI Certified Fastener Specialist designation. Good luck to all of the participants. Also today is basic print reading. Tomorrow's events include the Fastener Tabletop Show and 75th Anniversary and Hall of Fame dinner. On the 18th is the golf outing, and on the 19th is the MWFA Mixer. For more information, go to MWFA.net or follow on Twitter at MWFA_news. In other fastener industry news, Marc Strandquist praises his colleagues at Optimas Solutions as he says goodbye. His LinkedIn update stated, "Although my time here has ended, I wish all my Optimas Solutions colleagues the very best for their journey into the future. I'm very proud of you." Optimas Solutions announced that Daniel Harms is the new president of the Americas and a member of their board of directors. In acquisition news, Nucor has made 2 big acquisitions, first being Hannibal Industries, steel racking manufacturers, in a $370 million deal, and Cornerstone Building Brands, an insulated metal panels business, in a cash deal of approximately $1 billion. The Industrial Fasteners Institute has announced their first call for nominations for the Joe Greenslade Young Leadership Soaring Eagle Award, instituted in memory of Joe, who served as the IFI Technical Director from 2007 to 2015. The deadline for submissions is September 1st, 2021. And tomorrow, August 17th, is the Cranes Content Studio, Global Supply Chains, Fasteners Hardware, and the Auto Industry. Hear from experts in the fastener industry who can speak to their supply chain experience with Taiwan and the vast possibilities for U.S. fastener producers, including specialization, collaboration between large and small enterprises, OEM, small batch, and mass product production. Panelists include Doug Ruggles, President of Martin Fastening Solutions, Joe Nagel, Senior Manager, Strategic Sourcing Customer Solutions with Lawson Products, and John Najeski, Senior Buyer at Screws Industries. To register for this event, go to nfda-fastener.org. The National Fastener Distributors Association has announced the 2021 recipient of its Fastener Professional of the Year Award. Congratulations go to Jim Derry at Field Fastener. Join the NFD Fastener Association for a virtual celebration for Jim, and that's happening on Friday, September 10th, 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern. Register at nfda-fastener.org. Registration is open for the 2021 International Fastener Expo in Las Vegas. Use FND discount code FAS25FND and save $25 off your registration fee. Register now. In 3D printing news, There was big news in metal 3D printing. Desktop Metal is acquiring industrial 3D printing company X1 to create the leading additive manufacturing portfolio for mass production. Rick Fulop, the founder and CEO, said this transaction is a big step in delivering on our vision of accelerating the adoption of additive manufacturing 2.0. To read more about that, go to FastenerNewsDesk.com. Experience live 3D printing demos with Worth Industry North America on their 3D Demo Days tour. Upcoming dates include August 17th in Louisville, Kentucky, the 18th and 19th in Nashville, Tennessee, and the 24th and 25th in Des Moines, Iowa. In manufacturing news, Manufacturing Day is October 1st this year. Are there any fastener distributors or manufacturers out there taking place in a Manufacturing Day event? Let us know about it and we'll share it with the industry. This year, Manufacturing Day will also include a strong emphasis on engaging at digital and virtual events throughout the country. Start planning your Manufacturing Day experience today. Share on social media with hashtags Creators Wanted and MFG Day 21. Visit creatorswanted.org to learn more and find new tools to inspire more creators. This week's episode of In the News was sponsored by Product Genius Technology. Makes buying products easier. Register for the Fastener Industry Digital Landscape 2021 report at productgeniustechnology.com. If you'd like to sponsor an upcoming episode of In the News, contact me, Lisa, at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Until next week, be well and keep it fascinating.